God!
Coming out here.
I want a piece of that.
Oh!
From Earthworks Equipment. The guys are going to get to work here and make sure that that electrical signal is interrupted. A lot of times they will use a pull on the backside if they haven't used their own ignition interrupter. But now becomes the skill of Jamie Coleman on this big Earthworks loader. He's got to somehow be able to ride a 1,000-pound monster truck in a most an opportune place to do it. That is to hook that thing on and somehow get Jared back upright right now. Remember, Jared is strapped inside of there in that racing seat.
I've never seen anything like that.
Five-point harness.
Well, a few times, but that was years ago.
Souvenirs, as he's got a piece of one right there. But Jared is stuck inside of there as they work on here to try and get him upright. Of course, if they can do that, he'll be able to get it started up and take it back to the pits area. We hope that he will be fine, not only in this particular circumstance, but further in racing and in freestyle. As they right this machine, you got to get ready to give a cheer, not only to Jamie, but to the rest of the crew for helping to make it happen.
Oh!
Jared tearing up that Dodge.
Oh my God! I don't know. I don't think they'll be allowed
He did
to.
all of that for you. Ladies and gentlemen, it may be you who decides that he